Hello everyone. How are you all, my dear students? I hope you all are fine and doing your studies well. So, my dear students, as you all know, we are doing grammar lesson number 17 WH questions. So, in a previous video, we have completed exercise number 1. So today we are going to do exercise number 2. But before starting exercise number 2, we will revise exercise number 1. So that if you have missed anything, you can write it, or students, those who missed the previous video, they can connect with today's topic. So let's begin our session with a beautiful quote. That is, you will face many defeats in life, but never let yourself be defeated. You will face many defeats in life, but never let yourself be defeated. Lesson 17 WH questions. So let's see. Read these sentences. Read these sentences. Which sport do you like? Like. Which sport do you like? Next, where do you live? Live. Where do you live? Next, what would you like chocolate or candy? What would you like? Chocolate or candy? Next, who is your class teacher? Who is your class teacher? Who is your class teacher? Next, how do you go to school? How do you go to school? Next, when do you go to school? When do you go to school? Often, questions begin with words like who, what, where, how, when, and which. Often, questions begin with words like who, what, where, how, when, and which. The words who, what, where, which, how, and when are called question words. The words who, what, where, which, how, and when are called question words. They are used to ask questions. They are used to ask questions. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with suitable question words to complete the questions. Fill in the blanks with suitable question words to complete the questions. Choose from the box. Choose from the box. Options are given here: who, what, where, when, which. So, my dear students, in a previous video I already explained each and everything. So, for the brief explanation, kindly watch the previous video as we are taking revision. So, today we are going to just read these questions. Okay? Let's revise. Dash do you live? Where? Where do you live? Where do you live? Then dash is summer puri. Who? Who is summer puri? Who is summer puri? Dash one of you is Neha. Which one of you is Neha? Which one of you is Neha? Dash did the boys find? Dash did the boys find? Answer: what? What did the boys find? What did the boys find? Next, dash will you come to Pune? Answer: when? When will you come to Pune? When will you come to Pune? Let's revise it again. Where do you live? Who is Samar Puri? Which one of you is Neha? What did the boys find? When will you come to Pune? Dash is your name. What? What is your name? What is your name? Dash broke the bottle. Who? Who broke the bottle? Who broke the bottle? Dash will the summer vacations begin? When? When will the summer vacations begin? When will the summer vacations begin? Dash of these pencils is hers. Which of these pencils is hers? Which of these pencils is hers? Dash are you going now? Dash are you going now? Answer is where. Where are you going now? Where are you going now? What is your name? What is your name? Who broke the bottle? Who broke the bottle? When will the summer vacations begin? When will the summer vacations begin? Which of these pencils is hers? Which of these pencils is hers? Where are you going now? Where are you going now? Dash will the match begin? When will the match begin? When will the match begin? Dash color do you like? Red or blue? Which color do you like? Red or blue? Dash are the children going? Where? Where are the children going? Where are the children going? Dash will answer this question. Who? Who will answer this question? Dash is your sister's name. What is your sister's name? When will the match begin? Which color do you like? Red or blue? Where are the children going? Who will answer this question? What is your sister's name? So, from here our today's topic begin. Read these questions. Read these questions. Mrs. Sen is busy. Mrs. Sen is busy. Isn't she? Isn't she? Isn't is the short form of is not, which already we have learned in a previous lesson. All the short forms, right? Mrs. Sen is busy. Isn't she? Means is not she? Pia rides a bike. Pia rides a bike. Doesn't she? Doesn't is the short form of does not. Doesn't is the short form of does not. Pia rides a bike. Doesn't she? You don't like tea. You don't like tea. Don't is the short form of do not. Don't is the short form of do not. You don't like tea. Do you? Do you? Shekhar couldn't hear. Shekhar couldn't hear. Could he? Could he? Couldn't is the short form of could not. Couldn't is the short form of could not. Sometimes we change a statement into a question. Sometimes we change a statement into a question. Now, let me give you an easy trick. If the positive sentence is given, you have to put negative to make a question. If positive sentence is written, you have to write negative to make a question. For example, Mrs. Sen is busy. So what you have to do is not she, isn't she. And here, when the negative sentence is given, for making a question, you have to write positive. You don't like tea. You do not like tea. Do you? Right. So, this you have to write in your book. So, I am giving you some time to note down these sentences in your book. So, I hope you all have completed these sentences. Now, here, isn't she, doesn't she, do you, and could he are called question tags. Here, isn't she, doesn't she, do you, and could he are called question tags. They are used to change a statement into a question. They are used to change a statement into a question. As I already explained you, positive statements are followed by a negative question tag. Positive statements are followed by a negative question tag. For example, I can eat a sandwich. I can eat a sandwich. Can't I? Can't I? They are playing. They are playing. Aren't they? Aren't they? Negative statements are followed by a positive question tag. Negative statements are followed by a positive question tag. For example, the boys shouldn't climb the wall. The boys shouldn't climb the wall. Should they? Should they? He doesn't play hockey. He doesn't play hockey. Does he? Does he? So, my dear students, it's time to write. So, note down this in your rough book. Let's begin to write. Positive statements. Positive statements are followed by a negative question tag. Positive statements are followed by a negative question tag. For example, I can eat eat a sandwich, a sandwich. Can't I? Can't I? Next example. They are are playing, aren't they? Aren't they? Now next point in the next line. Negative statements are are followed by a positive question tag. For example, now write in the next line. Number 1, the boys shouldn't climb the wall. The wall should they question mark. Then next example, he doesn't play hockey. Does he? Now let's solve this exercise. Exercise number 2. Complete these sentences with suitable question tags. Add question marks. A. She could recite verses. She could recite verses. Couldn't she? I can write a story. I can write a story. Can't I? They don't play volleyball. Do they? The ladies could knit for hours together. The ladies could knit for hours together. Couldn't they? The mouse can't cheat the cat. The mouse can't cheat the cat. Can it? Now let's revise all the blanks. She could recite verses. She could recite verses. Couldn't she? I can write a story. I can write a story. Can't I? Can't I? They don't play volleyball. They don't play volleyball. Do they? Do they? The ladies could knit for hours together. The ladies could knit for hours together. Couldn't they? Couldn't they? The mouse can't cheat the cat. The mouse can't cheat the cat. Can eat. Can eat. Then next, we are going out. We are going out. Aren't we? Aren't we? Next, they are in the garden. They are in the garden. Aren't they? Aren't they? Then we can't go out. We can't go out. Can we? Can we? I can play with Tarun. I can play with Tarun. Can't I? Can't I? He is watching television. He is watching television. Isn't he? Isn't he? So, my dear students, this is the end of today's session and end of lesson number 17 WH questions. So, I hope you all enjoyed today's session. Regarding today's session, if you are having any doubts, feel free to ask me, and we will meet in the next session with the next lesson. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.